Greetings. Today I'm going to talk about some flight testing of my 5-inch drone. First things first, we're ramping up for a speed test here, and we can see that the voltage is dropping and the milliamp hours are increasing as we go over the 100 kilometer per hour barrier, and we max out at about 144. And with the battery voltage blinking, I'm going to hold this screen here. I let off the throttle because I didn't want the battery to catch on fire or the drone to fall from the sky. So it's good to be conservative sometimes. Nothing happened, no mechanicals. I just turned the drone around, and as soon as I let off the throttle, the speed dropped by about 100 kilometers per hour, and we started cruising in the 30 to 70 kilometer an hour range again, and then we landed. So that was the first test, and this battery was very warm after we landed. So here's another flight test where we're just doing some FPV flights through some trees, and then we do a simple dive. So climb up this hill, and we are going to dive down between these trees. This is goggle view, obviously. You can see our battery voltage is doing much better, and this is an easier flight. So what I found with these batteries, new battery, did a barrel roll in air mode, do a little backflip coming up here. And then we will go for a power loop. So rise back up, altitude's about 18 meters, and we will go for like a long slow backflip, which is what generally people call the power loop. So here we go. Boom. Up to about 40 meters and then down to 15 meters and then back up to 30 meters elevation. And last, we'll try and shoot a tree grab here, which ends up in a drone crash. So looks like we're going for it right now. Identified the gap. Got to get low, but not too low. Slow motion. Rose up at the too early, and then disarm the drone to minimize damage. In any case, that's all I got for you today. If you have any thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.